So I'm Crystal Sheldon. I am the Director of Java and Education here at Oracle, and I own the website Learn.java as well as a YouTube channel, which I'm going to share with you today. And I am here with my colleague, Tyra. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Tara Pierce, and I'm a senior manager on the Oracle Academy Innovation Program and Member Services team. And so I am here to represent Oracle Academy, and we'll talk a little bit later about that today.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay, so what is Learn.java? Learn.java is a website that is designed for beginners, for students, and for teachers, um, keeping both high school teachers and higher ed faculty in mind. This is a website built for you. So on the homepage, you will see three separate categories: Why Java, Learner's Corner, and the Teacher's Corner. And in the Why Java section, we help to motivate the answers to the questions students have about why are we learning this? Why are we learning Java? I think as a former high school teacher, I got that question so often. And resources like this are designed and developed to help you answer those questions. Where is Java being used? It's being used in almost every industry, from Netflix to Uber. The things that your students are most familiar with, they're being built on Java. We also have a section where we have teachers, Oracle interns, and coming soon, hopefully, some Java developers talking about what is it like to be a Java developer? What does that career field look like? Students are talking about their intern experience, how they're using AI. Teachers are talking about skills that students should have, how students are using computer science uh, interconnected with other disciplines. So those are a lot of motivational videos. They're short, they're great for the last 2 minutes of class or to assign for your students to watch on their own, things to motivate them and help them to understand why they're even doing this. In the Learner's Corner, we do have a section on getting set up. And then we have three sections: a Learn section, which is tutorials where we walk through content, like in this example, an introduction to recursion. And then we have a practice session where students are provided with practice sets, a lot of which are being run through our Java Playground, which is not an IDE, but it is an environment where students can try out code, test it out, see what's happening with it without having to go through the full setup of creating a program. And it runs in the browser, which is great. And then our apply section is a set of labs that you can use with students, or students can use to learn Java deeper on their own. In our educator corner, we have a curriculum map, which is what we envision Computer Science 1 to look like. There is an educator briefing, which helps you get current and stay current on all the latest in Java, from Java 8 all the way through JDK 26, which was released in March. This brief goes through and just shares every feature that has been included that we feel like intersects with Introduction to Computer Science. If you're an AP Computer Science A teacher, we have a corner specifically for you where we have some practice-free response. We have blog area where we talk about teaching the course, and we're starting to add some review sessions because the exam is a month away. So we're starting to add some review videos and some tips for taking the exam. We have a teacher talk section, which has some blog materials, how to teach computer science, the things that are top of mind. And then we have an other resources section, which is where you can find more information about Oracle Academy and our Oracle University. I mentioned a little bit about the Java Playground, and I'm going to go and demo this a little bit with you in just a second. But it is, like I said, not an IDE, but it is embedded into the website where you can run some code. It is going to be on the latest in Java. So it's right now currently running Java 26. And it has some really great features like being able to now share your code. So a student can write code in there, they can click the share button and send a URL to their teacher or to their friends to share the code that they created. So let me just take a second and give you a live demo of that. So let's see. If anybody has questions, please put them in the Q&A and we can answer those as we go along here. All right, I'm going to dive right into the practice. There's a lot of practice materials available, but in here, what we have done is we have embedded the Java Playground right into the page. So here we have a practice where students are printing out a multiplication table using nested loops. And so they would add their code right into the playground right here. So if we're doing, I'm going to call this outer because I'm going to try to be a better demoer here. So if we're doing some nested loops, we're going to do an outer loop that goes from 1 to 10. And then we'll do an inner loop here. And then we're going to use the IO class, which is a class that's new as of Java 25, and it allows you to print without using system.out.println. So I can print the inner times the outer and a space. And then I'm going to do one more here to go to the next line. And I'll use println. And so then I can just run that. And you see my multiplication table print to the screen below. So that's how students can practice their exercises, and they're seeing exactly what their code is producing to the screen in real time. When they go to share this, they can click the share button. It will create a URL link, and then they can paste that in to any browser. So if they need to pick up where they left off on work, there is no login, there's no ability to save. So this would be their way of saving. And eventually that will pop up a URL. Maybe it's because I'm in Zoom. Oh, it timed out. Okay, so that does work. Sorry, it's not working right now, but it does work. There we go. So I can copy that and then put it into a browser, and it will pop it into the Java Playground for me. The other resource that we have is we have a YouTube channel that we've started to launch, and it is Learn.java YouTube channel. In here, a lot of our tutorial pages have videos, so helping that students can learn either in written format or in video format. We're kind of touching all different ways that students learn. And so this is a collection of videos that we have started to curate. It is growing and will be publicly announced in the fall, but you're getting a little preview to that as well.
Crystal,
Hey,
we do
Chris.
have a question.
Absolutely.
In using this coding platform, do you need to import array list or scanner objects?
Okay, so with the Java Playground, it is running on JDK 26. And starting in JDK 25, you actually no longer need to import anything to use ArrayList because ArrayList is part of the Java base module, and that comes automatically with Java 25. So for our product, no, you don't have to do an import statement to use ArrayList. One limitation of the Java Playground is that it is unable to do anything with input. So you can't do, you wouldn't need to do scanner. The IO class, which is also new in JDK 25, has a really great io.readlin. So I don't use scanner any longer as a result of that, but I can't use that with the Java Playground. You'd have to use that in an IDE, but no need to import. I can do array lists in here, no problem. Okay, I'm going to turn it over to Tira, who will talk to you a little bit about Oracle Academy and what they have to offer.
Yeah, let me go ahead and share my screen really quickly. So, great, you guys are seeing my screen. Oracle, I'm going to start the quick overview of Oracle Academy, and then I'll show you what the Oracle Academy community is, which is a brand new platform that we just launched. Oracle Academy is a free program for educators that provides curriculum teaching resources and structured learning materials, including material for AP Computer Science A. So this is by joining Oracle Academy. This is where you go and get free resources for teaching your classrooms. It's a really quick thing you got to do. You actually go through and you join Oracle Academy. You click institutions and educators. It's you'll select educator. You will hit join now. You'll complete your profile and your institution information. And once you submit, there's a small approval process. And then once you get approved, you'll get access to our full curriculum and resources. So I'm actually going to show you what happens when you actually go in to the Oracle Academy. I'm going to sign into the member hub here. And in the member hub, this is where you will find your ready to use curriculum and teaching resources specifically designed for the classroom. We have an army of former educators and that are now turned curriculum developers that are actually developing curriculum for Oracle Academy. You'll see here what Crystal just talked about. Once you're logged into Oracle Academy, you can see the learn more and you'll go directed back into that website that Crystal just talked about. What I'm actually going to show you is our member hub here. From inside our member hub, you're going to click on our course catalog. This is where you directly get into assessments and courses and materials to use in your classroom. You have it in multiple languages, and we have full course curriculum, and then we have what's called an Academy Bite, which are hands-on labs and smaller workshops. I'm going to click on Java and then full course. So you'll see here that I have all these, and actually I'm going to click English as well. So you'll see here that I've got all of these full courses available in for Java. Now, what you'll see is whether if you're building a new course or enhancing one you already have, these resources are designed to support you. Now, we do have an official, you'll see this, AP Computer Science A course. And we also have what we call, so if you don't have any full curriculum for AP Computer Science A, you can go in and you can download and use this. Also, we have here what's called Java Foundations. So the Java Foundations course prepares you for certification. You can use it alongside the AP Computer Science A, and you can strengthen your core understanding of Java. And it works really well alongside your AP Computer Science A prep. What it also does is much of this content aligns directly for the Java Foundation certification exam. So you and your students can be building those certification ready skills. And if you're not, like I said, using the APCSA course, the Java Foundation gives you a structured pathway to help prepare students for that certification. The key idea here is we're not replacing what you teach, we're enhancing it and giving students another way to demonstrate their skills and sit for one of those certifications. It's an industry, it creates students an opportunity to earn an industry recognized Java certification alongside their AP experience. So if you've got that last couple of weeks or a month or so after they take the AP, it's a great way to go in and give them a little bit more information and another kind of certification that makes them industry and career ready. So now what I'm going to do, that was a very, very quick overview of Oracle Academy, because what I'm kind of here to talk about today is our brand new Oracle Academy community and how it works with our Learn Java. So once you have your Oracle Academy membership approved, I see there's a question in here. Laurelyn, you want to look at this? Oh, tokens. Tokens, I'm guessing tokens for the exam. You actually go and you purchase the exams through Oracle Academy. So there is a place where you can go in and request how to purchase certifications exams. I think this is a cheaper certification exam, so it's on a nominal price. But if you want to reach out directly to us, we can kind of put you in contact and touch with how to get direct access to those certification material. Okay. So where you're seeing right now is our brand new Oracle Academy community. Whoops, gotta shut this one thing down. And within the Oracle Academy community, you'll see that you've got to go in and register after you've gone in and completed your Oracle Academy registration. The community is a place for educators to connect, ask questions, and share ideas. It's really the human side of teaching computer science. What you'll do is after you've got your account, you'll go in and you'll log in through SSO, and it doesn't give you direct access, but we go in and we approve you. And then you'll go in and you'll see your Oracle Academy. I'm going to start here. You'll see our Oracle Academy homepage. And then you'll see that you'll go in and you'll see we've got this home pages, we've got our websites, our member corner, which is a place for our Oracle Academy members, our ambassador corner, which is for our Oracle Academy ambassadors. Focus on is categories. Here you'll see our categories within the member corner is a place where your members can go in, informational place to introduce yourself, ask questions, and connect. I'm also going to jump in to the Java category here. And within the Java category, this is where Crystal is posting answers to some of those practice exams that they have in Java. So you'll see we've got a Java curriculum pathway. You'll see we've got answers to some of those questions, those test prep questions we've got for Oracle Academy. So I know that there's been some requests to actually have an answer key for some of these prep questions. So this is a place where you can go in and get access to the answer key. We also have, actually, I'm going to click into one of these to kind of show you. Oops. You'll see that we've got all these really great articles about these unit reviews, going through and talking about all this great information that Crystal's gone in and posted. So if you want to go in and access those, you see those within your Java category within the Oracle Academy community. Another thing we have is we've got an event section. So if there's an event coming up, like a webinar, or you as teachers can actually go in and create webinars as well. You'll see that Crystal's actually gone in and posted the webinar here that we're attending today. And then you'll see these other ones we've got coming up, like International Girls Day, Girls in ICT. So this is a global community. So people throughout all over the world actually have access to the Oracle Academy community. The last thing I want to kind of talk about today is the resources. So our resources tab here is how you can go in and you can navigate Oracle Academy community. So it's how to contact our administrators, how to get notifications, how to update your profile, how to get badges, what are categories, things along those lines. So this is within the Oracle Academy community itself, basically our help section. So here's kind of the key takeaway for Oracle Academy and then the Oracle Academy community. Oracle Academy provides the content and what to teach, and the community helps with how and allows you to connect with each other, connect with Oracle Academy team, connect with ambassadors, things along those lines. So as you continue teaching Java or preparing your students for AP Computer Science A, just remember you don't have to do it alone. The Oracle Academy is here to support you with ideas, answer, and a network of educators. And Crystal, that's it for me.
Great, thank you so much. If anybody has any questions, you can pop them into the Q&A. We hope that you'll start leveraging some more of our resources. And if you have feedback on anything, you're welcome to send that our way as well.